Okay, guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 17th in United States Lit. What we covered today was Ralph Waldo Emerson. If you scroll down to the Romanticism time period, um, we worked through this Emerson and Thoreau scopestone. It's a two-sided document here, and we were just basically filling in, especially the analysis portion, like what is it that we know about Ralph Waldo Emerson, the speaker, the context of the two documents that we were looking at here, the occasion for which he wrote them and to whom he was writing, so on and so forth. We looked at his purpose, and then we started to dissect the two documents just a little bit further. Really what we're going to try and do is by Monday, we're hoping to be able to answer some of the questions in this. How does the author feel about these major ideas, individualism, self-reliance, nonconformity, so on and so forth, these major tenets of transcendentalism? That's what we're going to be attacking on Monday together. So, sorry you couldn't make the Ralph Waldo Emerson discussion. Hope you are prepared for Monday's discussion regarding Henry David Thoreau. Have a great weekend.